Hi, Sarah this side from Office Solutions. So today's products is Voronoi chart by Office Solutions. A Voronoi diagram is a way of dividing a plane into regions based on distance to a specific set of points. Each region contains all the points that are closer to one particular seed point than to any other seed point. These seed points are also known as sites or generators. And here is the Voronoi diagram. Let's change the edges color to see them clearly. And here it is. You can change the width of the edges using this option. Well, it looks nice now. Let us change the dot color. Well, to implement more features, we need to use license key. The Voronoi diagram is colored now, but to see different colors, we need to invoke the legends. And here it is. Now you can change the radius of the dots well, it looks nice now. You can also switch into colorless. Let's switch back. Now move on to the drop-down features. And make all these visible. You can use this drop-down to see the particular data according to the legend. This drop-down is used to get the top values according to the Y data. You can also type the custom values here, but note that must be positive miracles. Let's do some changes with the data, and for this add more data to the X. You can also give more values to Y and legend as well. Well, it looks nice now. I hope this may help you in future for visualization of the data. Thank you